Good morning, everybody. Today is the 24th of January, and I think for this presentation today, I'm going to look at the Stoxx 600 indices and sectors from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. Just a usual disclaimer, it's not investment advice, just purely investment research, and you need to do your own due diligence on any potential trades. So today, Stoxx 600 index and sector cloud chart analysis. We're going to jump right in on the Pro Real-Time platform. Start with the Stoxx 600 index itself. You can see we've had a nice rally after MACD buy signal here in November. Very strong rally. We then had a sell signal up here in the 5th of January. Now the market's drifting back down to the top end of the cloud. So that's the next key support zone to be tested. So watch out for this rebound, a possible rebound at the top end of the cloud here. So we are drifting lower after the MACD sell signal. So somewhat of a consolidation of this recent strong move. So downside risks remain high. Autos and auto parts, also very strong rally. Price actions taking place above the cloud, which means we still have a strong uptrend in place. Front end of the cloud still indicate more upside. We're now consolidating and slightly drifting sideways. We've had a MACD sell signal. Back here. And so now it's drifting back down to the top end of the cloud here. Okay. So we'd be looking at a buying entry point back at the rebound of that cloud. Stoxx 600 banks. Yeah, we also have, we've had a very strong rally, price actions above the cloud, which is positive. The cloud here is now the top and bottom end of the cloud is significant support zones. You can see there how the low in December there was a rebound on the front end of the cloud. We should see that low being retested in January, February. Note we've had a MACD sell signal here, so we remain on the sidelines for this one. The next entry level would be at the top end of the cloud, corresponding well with the MACD buy signal. Basic resources also looking very strong. Strong rally since breaking out above the cloud in last year. We've had some profit taking there with a MACD sell signal, back in with a MACD buy there. So getting closer to some profit taking on this index with a possible rebound on the top end of the cloud here at 409. Okay. Chemicals, also strong rally, broke out from a trading range, broke past cloud chart resistance, had a nice MACD buy signal there. MACD sell signals in place, so some profit taking is in order. We expect to pull back down to retest this December low, and that corresponds well with the top end of the cloud. You have to support and expect a rebound in chemicals at 843. Consumer and materials. Yeah, also price action above the cloud, which is positive. We've had a MACD sell signal here, so profit taking is taking place. Profit taking is underway. Weakness back down to the top end of the cloud here at 420, and then significant support here at 410. But watch out for the 420 rebound over the short term. Food and beverages struggling into the cloud, broke past the cloud, now looking for support at the top end of the cloud. So it's at a critical level. We could see support coming here at 601, 607. So it's struggling to find support at that level. Note we've had a MACD sell signal, so we could see more downside to the top end of the cloud here at 601. Financial services, strong rally. MACD sell signal at the moment, so profit taking underway. Look for a new entry point at the bottom end of the cloud here, this 407 zone as a support area for a rebound there, but so far profit taking is in order. Healthcare had a strong rally, then consolidating after running into old cloud chart resistance levels. Now I'm looking for an entry at the bottom end of the cloud. Yes, I'm looking at these areas there, 691 as well as 684 as the next key support zone there. We've had a MACD sell signal, so you could remain short or buy the rebound at the bottom end of the cloud. Yeah, this cloud level should act as support. Industrials, also a strong rally up. Had a MACD sell signal up there. It's moving a bit higher. Consolidation risk back down to the top end of the cloud. That's where I would be interested in taking position again. So could see it drifting down to consolidate to the top end of the cloud. Insurance is now fighting for support to the top end of the cloud. We had a nice sell signal in the MACD. It's drifting down. Significant support here at 258, and then at the bottom end of the cloud here at 253. So watch out for those areas for support to come in and for a rebound to take place. Okay, media. Also, very strong rally. Bottom in the cloud, broke through the cloud. Then met old resistance highs, old highs, and old cloud chart resistance. Consolidating after that, we had the MACD sell signal, so this trade's working out nicely. And now it's going to drift down to the top end of the cloud here for support. So it can look for support around the 271 zone and significant support here at 268. So watch out, it's getting closer to a rebound zone in the current uptrend. Okay. Oil and gas also consolidating down after the MACD sell signal here. Drifting down, support to the top end of the cloud. First level of support is around about 308, and the next level is 303. Watch out for those levels for the oil and gas as critical rebound potential, areas for potential rebound. Okay. Yeah, we've got still a nice strong rally, and consolidation risk remain high now since we've had the MACD sell signal. Consolidation risk back down to the top end of the cloud, but it's fighting these old cloud chart resistance areas there. Retail, not out the woods yet. Yeah, you can see it drifting down to the bottom end of the cloud here, 305. So watch out for a rebound there. We've had a MACD sell signal, so ideally we'd like to see a rebound coming in at the bottom end of the chart and going up to the upside. Okay. Technology, consolidation risk remain high here. We've had a MACD sell signal. It's fighting old cloud chart resistance zones from previous highs. Downside support should come in at 358, the top end of the cloud here, with significant support here at 349. But watch out, first level of support for a possible rebound trade at 359. And if you get the MACD buy signal at that level, that's kind of where I would be going long. Telecoms struggled with old resistance areas here, had a nice strong rally, broke through cloud chart resistance. Now the cloud is the new support zone, the top end of the cloud here. Front end of the cloud still indicate uptrend, and we've got consolidation risk back down to the top end of the cloud here. So watch out for this zone here to be retested at 290 support zone. Okay. Travel and leisure. Also consolidating after a nice strong move, pulling back to the top end of the cloud. Watch out for the cloud support here at 228, that level there, and the next level for 226 for a possible rebound. But we've got a sell signal in the MACD, so that sell signal has been working out quite nicely, and I'm looking for a rebound. First rebound to test there at the top end of the cloud, second one at 226. And then utilities. Big picture trend change taking place since the front end of the cloud has now made the twist. We've gone from downtrend to uptrend now, long-term uptrend. The price action broke through cloud chart resistance. Now it's retesting the cloud chart resistance for new support. So you can see there 269 is a significant support zone for this particular index. So we could see some more upside coming through if support holds at this level. Okay. So I'll be waiting for that MACD buy signal at that level for a rebound there. Okay, but all in all, from the Stoxx 600 index perspective, look for potential weakness back down to the top end of the cloud here, and that could be a nice entry point for a rebound. But watch very closely for a MACD buy signal. We haven't had that yet. Okay. Thank you, everybody, and happy trading.